So let's see Indonesia. This is West Indonesia and this is East Indonesia. People here in West Indonesia use saya when they're speaking in a formal context or in a formal conversation. But people here in Eastern Indonesia. Hi everyone, it's been a while not talking about Indonesian. So in this episode, let me talk about how to say I, me, and my in Indonesian and how it works in daily conversation. Indonesians use either saya or aku in their daily life. So when you're speaking Indonesian, you have to say saya when you're in a formal conversation or when you're in a formal context, or when the person you're speaking to is older or has a higher position than you, you have to say saya to address yourself.
Oh, baru pindah ya?
Iya Mbak, baru juga kemarin kita pindah ya.
Oh, oke. Saya Angel. Hai.
Hai. Nama saya Bastian, ini istri saya Bi.
Oh, oke.
While aku is used in a casual conversation. So you can say aku to address yourself when you're speaking to a friend or to a younger person.
Aku mau main pingpong. Yuk kita main.
Gitu, aku tuh perlu gaun baru. Aku kan nggak bisa datang dengan penampilan seadanya. Aku harus nunjukin kalau aku cukup bonafit untuk jadi partner. Gini, aku minta tolong. Boleh nggak?
Boleh. Sebentar ya Mbak, saya ambilin jas.
So let's see the examples and compare them. Saya suka buku ini and aku suka buku ini. So when you say saya suka buku ini, it's probably you're talking to a person that is older, or you're speaking to a professor, or probably you're speaking to your boss. So you're obviously in a formal context. When you say the second sentence, aku suka buku ini, you're probably talking to a friend or to a younger person. That is the standard Indonesian. We say saya when we are in a formal context or in a formal conversation, and we say aku when we are in a casual conversation. But be careful when you go to Eastern Indonesia because it's a little bit different. So let's see Indonesia. This is West Indonesia and this is East Indonesia. People here in West Indonesia use saya when they're speaking in a formal context or in a formal conversation. But people here in Eastern Indonesia use saya both in formal conversation and in casual conversation. So that's why when someone uses aku in Eastern Indonesia, people there may recognize them as a newcomer from different parts of Indonesia, mostly from Western Indonesia. So use either saya or aku in Western Indonesia and use just saya in Eastern Indonesia. Well, I hope you find new insight about Indonesia from this episode, and please do support us by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss our new videos. And we update our new videos on Mondays, so stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. Sampai jumpa.